drone video of one area of my layout, area called Aloes. Coming into Aloes from Waterkloof, you can see the car factory's car loading bay, as well as some zebras hiding underneath the tree, windmill, farmer feeding his sheep, car factory in the background. Signal for the main line plus the instrument case. Autumn tree shedding its leaves. The local steamer used for shunting at the car factory. The station building at Aloes, plus the handicapped parking and some trucks waiting to go into the siding for the cement factory, where there's a flood loader, and in the back you can see the newly added fuel tanks for the car factory, plus a double slip that had been added recently. That's why it's not ballasted yet. And continuing on, the conveyor belt up to the flood loader, and then the last scene in Aloes is the cement factory, where cement is being made, the raw materials being shipped by rail and unloaded and then dumped in the bays into the kiln at the back, and then into the storage tanks, and from the storage tanks into the flood loader, and from the flood loader transported by cement tankers like these two.